All right, we're going to get into the fun stuff now. So we're going to take a quick look at the funnel builder, the actual editor itself. So I know a lot of you guys are just itching to get into this part of it. So I want to give you guys, at the very least, a little bit of a look at the editor, give you guys a feel. So if you're working in somebody else's account and they've already got all this crap already set up, and maybe they've already got all this stuff set up, and you don't need to go through all that. You just need to jump into the editor and get an idea of how the CF 2.0 editor works. First thing you're going to do is you're going to come over here to the sidebar. You're going to click on funnels, and you're going to see that there is no, if you have a brand new account, there are no funnels. So you have to create a funnel. So you're going to click this over here, and what we're going to have is kind of, once we get into the funnel builder itself, it's almost like a flow charty kind of a system. So this, I would call this almost like a funnel building wizard of some sort. So if you're like, hey, I want to build a cart funnel, you come in here and just say, I want a cart funnel, and it'll put all of your funnel pages together, and you can click select. You can go in here. It'll give you some ideas. Russell will talk to you about this. It's going to make a 2-step tripwire page, an upsell page, a confirmation page, and all you have to do is select which funnel template it is that you want to use. Definitely pick the one that you want to make. Okay, so we're going to click on start from scratch, and we're going to say new funnel, my new test funnel. Okay, and it's going to have a name there. We're going to say create funnel. So as you're going through this process, if you're following along here, that's all I had to do was give it a name. And now we have that flowchart system that I was talking about. Over here, you're going to have some stats. Now, this is a little bit different from what you're used to in CF Classic if you guys are coming from that, possibly even if you're coming from a new system or a third-party system. Over here, we have a flowchart system. So you're going to click the plus button to get started, and you're going to create a page. As you're going through this is a little more advanced, but if you're running a split test, this is where you would run a split test or a conditional split path for like a reason like, hey, did they buy this product? If yes, go here. If they didn't, go here or something, right? We're not going to get quite into those advanced settings here, but we are going to create a page like this, okay? Once you're in, there's actually some really nice looking funnel templates that have been built by some really amazing folks over at ClickFunnels. What I'm going to do here, just for this sake, is just grab a simple one here. I guess we'll just choose this one. This is where you're going to select your page style. I'm just going to use the default style, but if you've created a custom style guide that you want to use with this particular funnel, this is where you're going to do that, okay? So if you want to index that, you can. Unlike ClickFunnels Classic, you do not need to have a specific page type for opt-in pages or a sales page. These are just templates. If you went into the opt-in page, types here, and then realized later that you wanted to turn that into a course page or an order type page, you could do that because all of the elements will be available to you. And we're going to create that page. Okay. So as far as the funnel flow builder, that's really all you have to do. And then you're going to go in and build that. So if you want to build other pages, you're just going to add those in. Page, you're just going to continue creating pages. You've got the 3 dots here. If you click that, you can clone the page. You can add products, which are created in the products area generally. But if you want to add products specifically to this page, they will be universal products, okay? So you can do that here. You can attach a workflow to this. You can manage events. This up here will generally populate when you have a workflow. So if you click this here, it says there are no workflows. So this is where you would type in or click new workflow, and it'll take you through a whole nother flow charting process of being able to create a workflow for this particular funnel. Now, we'll get into workflows later. I'm just kind of giving you guys an idea of what all this stuff is. As you need, if it's an order page, you can add and manage products for these particular pages from here. And that's pretty much it. We are going to get into the funnel editor. Don't worry. I gave you a real basic look here, but what we're going to do is look at each of the individual editor elements and how that works and what you can do, what you can expect once you get inside of the editor. And we're going to start that off in the next video.